some green pesto sauce made with fresh quality basil.
Did you know the pesto comes from Italy?
In Genova.
Danny, shall we speak Norman?
Yes. To make the best green pesto you need garlic, olive oil, basil, parmesan cheese, salt, pine nuts, and of course you need a scale and a blender.
But remember, the basil, or you get from the packet that is already washed, or you'll need to wash it with some water. So the first thing we'll need to do is take off all the leaves from the stem and put it in a large bowl.
Okay, let's do it. Yep.
Danny, we're nearly done.
Yes.
Actually, I don't think so. We're nearly there. I think this is the last stem. Danny, wait! Before we continue doing the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab. Before we wash them, we need to grab 25 grams of basil. We're going to use a scale.
Make sure that is on 0 before you start.
Wait,
11,
10. Wait, 18. Stop. 25. This is the perfect amount.
For Julie, Danny's doing it for me.
This is for you, Danny.
And what's happening?
Yeah, what's happening? 20. Stop. 29.
25.
25.
Now it's time to wash the basil.
Let's go in the kitchen.
Get my sleeves up.
Where did you learn this song?
I reinvented it. Now let's go on the next step. What do we have to do now?
Now we need half piece of garlic. Ask your parents to help you cut the garlic
In half. So let's start peeling it.
It's really hard because I don't know how. I've never done this. Look, I'm making it. How am I doing that, Danny? You are the champion.
Now it's time to cut the garlic in half. We use this knife because it's not too sharp.
Be really careful.
There we go.
This is a perfect slice. You can cut it in how many pieces you like. Now you can put it in your bowl with the basil. Now we need 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. Let me try.
I'm going to weigh mine first. Okay. 13.
12. 17.
My 51, so I put 50. I get in my bowl. Let's get it everywhere. Ooh.
50 grams for me as well. Let me just put all of it. No, of course, take my arm. Go. Go on 50. I want 50. I said I want 50. 50. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour it.
There's a bit more.
Oh, let's put it everywhere.
Now we need a pinch of salt.
your peanuts. The next ingredient is pineapple.
We will need 10 grams. I'll go first.
Then you don't put so much because 10 grams is a bit. Oh, maybe 6, 8, 10. It's only a bit of pine nuts.
Wait.
On there. Now. 10. Now
It's 10.
Oh, my pine nuts. Now we need to put all our ingredients in the blender. Now we need to put some olive oil.
So we need 50 ml of olive oil, but a scale only measures grams. So I know that 50 ml will be 46 grams.
So I'm gonna pour it. Wow, just the right size. You need to be really careful. Let's go, olive oil.
It's all going down, as you can see.
Like when you do milkshakes and the milk goes down. Ask your parents to close the blender. Look at the color, it's changing. Before it was dark green and now it's light green. All done. Now let's pour it in a small bowl.
Once everything is in the blender, we have to add olive oil.
15 grams.
46.
46.
Just the right size.
Now slowly pour it in. Go, don't pin. This feels really weird. It's similar to a milkshake. And before, did you see the differences? This is the made one and the other one was like all different.
Shake everything down so it'll be easier to the blender to do the job.
Wait, I nearly forgot. Remember to put the plug in, otherwise it won't blend.
Ready, steady, go!
It's a tornado!
You can see it goes down very slowly.
Because there are lots of ingredients.
3, 2, 1. Let's get it with the spoon now.
Annie, shall we try it?
Yes, I think so.
It's really good.
Mine is nice, but the garlic is too strong.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's too good. I want to eat it for my whole life.
I tell you, you have to eat it with bread or pasta. So guys, if you had fun watching this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Denny, do you know what we can eat? I'm starving.
I don't know because even I am starving.
Denny, what can Denny, I'm so hungry. What can we eat?